Valley of the Moon, Brazil. In the Chapada dos Veadeiros region of Brazil, the Valley of the Moon, Vale da Lua, offers a landscape that seems borrowed from another world. Named for its lunar-like terrain, this area features smooth, curvaceous rock formations, sculpted by the relentless flow of the São Miguel River. These ancient rocks, some of the oldest on the planet, are dotted with crystal-clear pools and gushing waterfalls, creating a striking contrast against the gray and beige stones.